Turin. Royal palaces, baroque secrets, and a legendary relic. And you're stuck matching your steps to a stranger's schedule. A guide rushing you across Piazza San Carlo in 10 minutes, skipping straight past the Holy Shroud Chapel, no time to actually take in the story. Uvamai's Turin self-guided audio tour puts the whole city in your hands. Your access link lands straight in your inbox with professional narration and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group, no fixed schedule, just Turin at your pace for up to 6 days. Stand where the Savoy dynasty once ruled, in the shadow of Palazzo Reale at Piazza Castello. Step inside the Duomo's Chapel of the Holy Shroud, one of Christianity's most mysterious relics. Walk the ancient Roman road along Via Garibaldi, one of Europe's longest pedestrian streets. Climb to Santa Maria del Monte di Cappuccini for Turin's best panorama, then wander the riverside paths of Parco del Valentino. 16 stops. Your Turin. Your story. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Turin, not just photograph it. $6. 16 Turin landmarks. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.